Guys, welcome to our channel Market Wisdom, and in today's video I will be giving Nifty bank Nifty levels for tomorrow, and I will be discussing few of the stocks, 6 stocks for tomorrow to look after on the budget day. And let's start. So if you have not joined me, you can join me on the Telegram channel. I have given the channel link in the description. You can join me with that as well. So let's start with the today's analysis. So today in Nifty, we have closed at 17,339, and as I was expected, even I have given a few analysis on some analysis on Sunday as well, expecting 17,400 to 500 we should reach in the Nifty, and that we have seen today as well. Okay, so now let's see what can be the scenario. So I have drawn this particular trend line, so you can see this symmetrical triangle over here. And clearly what I have done basically from lifetime high I have tried to draw one trend line, and from recent drop dip I have tried to draw one trend line too. So in this triangle Nifty is currently trading on, and if you see on the daily chart, why I was saying 17,300 was important, because it has earlier taken some resistance in this particular area, and we have able to cross that one. You can see this trend line I have drawn, so we have crossed that one, and we have able to give a close near to that as well. So that's a good sign for us. Now let's see what can be the next scenario. So the next resistance that I can see is at the 17,600. So that was the level which I was also mentioning from last couple of days. 17,600 is the level which we should look after, and tomorrow if you are crossing 17,600, the target will be 18,000 directly. So tomorrow I'm very much bullish side. On the bullish side I am still on the bullish side in the Nifty, and 17,600 will be my first target, and above that 18,000 will be the target. And from support point of view, what we are observing in this area, we are getting some support right now, 17,050 to 17,000, which is again a round level. So any dip towards this area will be looked as a buying opportunity for me still, and any bounce towards 17,600 will be the make or break level for Nifty to move towards the lifetime high again. So why I'm saying 17,000 as a buying opportunity, let's look at the open interest. So this is 3rd Feb open interest. We can see we have already seen some short covering happened over here. So 17,100, 17,200, and even 17,000 call writers try to cover their shorts because market move upward. And what we are observing, people are selling both 17,300 call and put straddles, and as well as 17,400 call and put straddles. So people are making these straddles ahead of the budget. And if you see over here, what we see on high level is a green color dominated in this area. What it means, there are so many still call writers present. Okay, so anything towards 17,500 will be a trigger point for all these call writers to start covering their positions. So I'm still bullish. That's the reason. And if we see on the put side, we have seen what we can see over here, fresh put writing added over here at 17,000. That suggests 17,000 is still a support for us. So as per our chart as well, 17,000 is support. So if we go to hourly candle, in hourly candle we can clearly see this area initially acted as some support over here, which is that level 17,100 to 17,080. Okay, and later on this area 17,080 again. Okay, so 17,000. So this area will act as a support for us, and which is very, very crucial support. If we skid below this, then we will head towards 16,800. Okay, and from resistance point of view, you can see we can draw a trend line over here. Okay, on hourly chart. So see, this was the initial resistance which we broke, and we moved to higher side. So higher high we are making, and now today also we have moved higher. So higher high we are making, and lower high we are making over here. So you can see this was the initial support, 17,000, then 17,080. That was the next support that it moved. So here is the trend line that we can draw on the support side as well. Anything towards this area 17,100, I will still look as a buying opportunity, and the target for me will be 17,600. So let's look at the bank nifty now. Bank nifty, I'm on the bank nifty, I will look at the daily candle. So if we look in the daily candle for bank nifty, we have seen an inside bar over here, right? So this inside bar trading is quite clear. We have this low as our previous low as our stop loss, should be our stop loss. 37,500 should be our stop loss, and fresh entry we can make after we are crossing this 38,400, 38,350 or 38,400. So any side, you know, breakout will trigger a massive upside on the bank nifty, and below 37,500 only we can think of a short side. So these are the levels we are clear of now. 17,100, below that nifty will be bearish, and 37,500 below that bank nifty we will be bearish, and on the long side about 38,400 will be bullish on the bank nifty, and nifty targets are 17,600, and above that more upside we are expecting. Okay, so this is our analysis on bank nifty and nifty. Let me check the bank nifty open interest. Nifty also, there are so many straddles are sold at 38,000 itself. Okay, and the next major resistance is at 38,500. So if we are able to cross this 38,500, then we will directly move to 39,000 tomorrow itself. And let's look at the monthly open interest for bank nifty as well. So here again not much action, but so yeah, that's the view on nifty and bank nifty. Now let's look at the stocks. So if we see Tata Power stock on daily candle, so in Tata Power we can see this is the 252 is the mark to look after, and on the downside 230, 225 to be exactly. Okay, so any up move above this 220 250, any move above this 252 mark, then it will trigger a very good up move for the target of 267 and above that. Okay, so I'm waiting for Tata Power to move out of this box pattern, and as soon as it goes up, it will give a very good up move. The next stock that I'm looking after is Power Grid, or we are seeing box pattern. Okay, any up move above this 218, 219 will trigger a very good up move in Power Grid. Okay, so remember of this, it will show a very good up move. Okay, Power Grid, and I'm very much bullish in power stocks from budget point of view as well, and yeah, you can check this one as well. The next stock that I'm very much bullish is the ONGC, which I have suggested today as well. So let's see what is the scenario. So this was the 170 level was the mark above which I was bullish, and you can see proper cup and handle pattern over here. Okay, and it is ready to move upside, and the target that is coming out is 213. Okay, that I have already given. So the target is depending upon the previous charts. So if we go in the past, so this was the area 213. Okay, 210 to 213 was the area which I am looking after. Okay, so yeah, of course there will be some minor targets like 180, then this 190, but yeah, ultimate target is 213. So that's the view on ONGC, and I am already bullish on Infosys and Wipro, which I have already mentioned in my Telegram channel. So Wipro is buy for me for target of 600 and 620, and Infosys I am already bullish. The target is 1795. Okay, so thanks, and be safe. Tomorrow, if you don't have experience, don't trade in Nifty or Bank Nifty or any stock, because it will be a hugely volatile market, and try to save your capital rather than losing money. So that's my advice to you. Thank you for watching.